Now, when we discuss the basic concepts of limits, we'll find that you will find it's very difficult. But actually, it's not. When we solve the questions are quite easy. Okay, so till now, if you have any doubt or if you don't understand what is this limit exactly, fine, it's completely fine. No need to worry at all. Now, see how to evaluate the limit. Okay, evaluation of limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. See, if a question will be asked, find the limit of the function at this point. Okay, so first we will find the left hand limit and the right hand limit, and if LHL is equals to RHL, it means the limit of the function exists. Okay, so let us see how to evaluate left hand limit and right hand limit. So there is a there are particular steps or algorithm which we have to follow. Okay, you follow these steps, then by the end of the chapter you will be able to solve each and every question. Okay, I'm saying you will be able to solve each and every question related to limits. Okay, it's very simple chapter, but the theory is little bit difficult. So the first step will be, whatever question is given, we will write to find the left hand limit. Okay, how to evaluate left hand limit? So we will write for left hand limit, left to the point. Okay, left to the point. So we will write, suppose find the left hand limit of the function f of x at x equals to a. Okay, so for left hand limit we will write a minus, and for right hand we will write a plus. So whatever question we will write in this form, limit x tends to a minus. This a minus shows that we are finding left hand limit. Okay, f of x. This is our first step. Then second step, in the second step we will put, see, now this x is approaching a, x is approaching a towards the left hand side. So we will put the value of x but not a. We'll put the value of x but not a. X is approaching a but x is not equal to a. Okay, now x is approaching a towards the left, means all the values which are left to the left to this value a are less than a. Suppose it's 3, so all the values to the left hand side of 3 are less than 3. See, 2, 1, 2 is less than 1, sorry, 2 is less than 3, 1 is also less than 3. So all the values in the left hand side are less. Okay, less. So we'll put a minus. So in the second step we'll put x is equals to a, left hand side means less than, so we'll put a minus h. What is h is now? H is a very small number. Okay, any number. So a minus h means 3 minus h means less than 3, and 3 plus h means a value which is greater than 3. Okay, so this h is a small value just to represent that this value is less than a. Okay, and if we write a plus h in right hand limit, it means this value is greater than a. Okay, this h is a very small value, just nearly equal to 0, negligible. So when we put this x equals to a minus h, then in the limit here also, means at the place of x now we'll put a minus h. So here also we have to make a change. What? Then what we will do, at the place of this x tends to a minus, so we will replace this x tends to a minus by h tends to 0. Okay, so we will get at this place, instead of this, now we will get limit. At this place we will write h tends to 0. At the place of x we will write a minus h. So we have to convert this into this. Okay, when I solve question, then it will be more clear. Okay. Now third step is, we have to simplify using formula. Okay, whatever is given we will simplify. So there are uh, different ways to simplify this step, but the first two steps will remain same in all the questions. The third step is based on the third step is different for question. Suppose the function is a polynomial function, the function is a rational function, then this procedure or here we'll use different formula to simplify this third step. Okay. Now the fourth or the last step is the value obtained in third step is the, okay, in the fourth step we will, means after simplification we will get LHL. Okay, we'll get our left hand limit. Similarly, the right hand limit, to find the right hand limit we have to follow the same steps. The first step will be, we will write limit. Now at the place of x tends to a minus, we will write x tends to a plus f of x. This is our first step. Second step, we'll put x is equals to, in left hand limit we'll put a minus h, here we'll put a plus h. Okay, and we replace this x tends to a plus by h tends to 0. This is same. So we will get x tends, limit h tends to 0, f a plus h. See, the only difference is in left hand limit we will write a minus and here a minus h. In right hand limit we will write a plus, in here a plus h. And the third step is same, simplification. And in the fourth step, after simplification, we will get our RHL. And if LHL is equals to RHL, it means limit exists. And if LHL is not equals to RHL, it means limit does not exist.